Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. In this video, we will discuss civics from class 7, chapter 3, which is how the state government works. In this chapter, today our topic is who is an MLA. Dear children, MLA means member of the Legislative Assembly, and MLAs are elected by the people. Getting? Now the question is, what is the condition to become MLA? Dear children, first condition is the person should be citizen of India. Citizen of India. Getting? Now next one is the person should be for legislative assembly. For legislative assembly person should be 25 years old. 25 years old. Getting? And for legislative council person should be 30 years old. 30 years old. Getting? So these are the condition for person who become MLA. Now dear children, next question is, what is meaning of constituency? What is meaning of constituency? Dear children, every state in India divided into different areas which called constituency. You have example Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly. Himachal Pradesh divided into 68 assembly constituencies. Getting? For your kind information, each constituency the people elect one representatives. Okay, so this representative become MLA. Now again one question rise, how MLA become ministers or chief minister? You have answer through majority. Now the question is, what is meaning of majority? Dear children, a political party whose MLAs have won more than half the number of constituency in a state is called majority. Getting? Now look in this map. Look in this box. In this box have a result of the assembly election in Himachal Pradesh in 2003. Now this side have a political party name, and this side have a numbers of MLAs who elected, who win in this election. Okay, now what you have got? Dear children, according to this result, INC, Indian National Congress, have a majority. Why? Because INC have more than half the number of constituencies. Dear children, you know very well, Himachal Pradesh divided into 68 constituencies. Okay, Himachal Pradesh divided into 68 constituencies, and the condition is for majority more than half the number of constituencies. That means 68 divided into 2, you have got 34, but INC have got more than 34 MLAs, elected MLAs. INC got 43 numbers of MLA. Okay, so INC had the majority and it became the ruling party. Now, who will become the chief minister? Who will become the chief minister? After the election, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect the leader who will become the chief minister. Then after, chief minister select other people as a ministers, and finally governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and another minister. So, dear children, these are the process where MLA become ministers and the chief minister. Thank you.